Hey, this is Brad Sauders with Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram in Bradenton. Just took in this 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack with the shaker. It is a B5 blue color, has black leather interior with heated and ventilated seats. This vehicle has 47,549 miles on it. This is the 6.4 liter Hemi engine. Gets you 485 horsepower. This thing has all the bells and whistles. Has your blind spot monitoring with cross path detection, has your adaptive cruise control, full speed collision warning, 8.4-inch screen with navigation, satellite radio, heated and ventilated seats again. Very well taken care of by its previous owner. If you want more information on this vehicle, please give me a call. Brad Sauders here at Firkins. Number's 941-961-0240.